Oke guys, nampaknya kalian kembali ke channel saya, Kiarana, karena kemarin TH10 Lalon, sekarang kita buat TH12 Lalon. Untuk combo Lalon, yang akan kita bawa, seperti ini pasukannya. Tanpa lama-lama langsung aja, kita menuju ke gamenya. Let's go! Pertama, kalian perlu perhatikan air sweepernya. Keluarin lava dulu buat tameng, terus baru battle gleam. Battle gleamnya jangan diledain di TH, nanti pasukan malah hilang. Kasih invisible biar tembus pandang, sama ditumpuk es taro, kayak gini. Potong atau ambil beberapa defense penting, yang sekiranya bisa diambil oleh ratu, sama raja. Kalau udah, langsung gas aja lalonnya, tapi jangan langsung kalian spam semua, jangan lupa turunin warden juga. Kalau udah lagi, kalian tinggal main nin spell. Pakai mantra sprint buat percepat hancurin defense. Pakai ultinya warden biar pasukan aman. Bekuin kalau sekiranya membahayakan. Ya udah sih kayak gini cara main Lalon. Kalau kalian bisa main Lalon mungkin beberapa orang akan menganggap kalian pro. Caranya sama kayak tadi, kalau kalian masih bingung simak aja videonya.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fucking fight back. You ain't gonna make it, you ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back.